Good morning, everyone. So, in our today's lecture, we will talk about the benefit or advantage of talent management. So, there are two categories of advantage. First, advantage in from the perspective of organization, and second advantage is from the perspective of employees. So if we talk about the benefit of talent management for the organization, so there are certainly some important benefit when it comes to talent management. So one benefit could be strategic talent management result into accomplishment of organizational vision. See, all the talent management strategies are based upon the overall organization strategy. In the process model of the talent management, we have already discussed that overall organizational strategy is the main guideline for the talent management strategy. So if it is on the basis of overall strategy and vision of the organization, it will certainly helps in uh, accomplishment of organizational vision. Filtration of talented employee and retaining the finest one is possible. So on the basis of talent management, one can filter that these are the effective employees and these are the ineffective employees, so that they can take actions to retain uh, effective employees, and to take actions to help ineffective employees to become effective employees. One, talent management strengthens the organizational structure by building a strong human capital. So talent management's basic objective is to retain high performer talent in the organization. So strong, it will build up a strong human capital. So if an organization is having a strong human capital, that will certainly strengthen the organizational structure. Talent management also helps in organization to succeed over competitors and establish the strong presence in the market. So if an organization is having a strong human capital, then it is act as competitive advantage over their competition, and it will also contributes in goodwill of the organization in the market. uh, Talent management build up a good reputation of company among job seekers. So job seekers also visit the profile of various companies and what are the scenario of employees in that particular company. So if the strong management in an organization there is a strong talent management strategy, so it will contribute as a good reputation of the company among the job seekers. They want to apply in such companies. Talent management leads to improve participative decision making by the management. Talent management certainly helps employees in participate uh, in decision making process, so that they can feel associated with the organization. They feel the ownership of the organization. Talent management directs continuous improvement in the organizational performance, making it more efficient and effective. So since talent management, just like performance management, it is also a continuous process, and it will continuously contribute towards the overall organizational performance in a effective and efficient manner. So these are the benefits from the point of view of organization. Now we move on to the benefits of talent management from the employee's perspective. So talent management initiative is a positive environment in the organization where employees experience job satisfaction. So employees can experience higher level of satisfaction with their job in the organization where there is a proper talent management initiatives takes place. Employees get a chance of learning and improving themselves, which motivates them to perform better. So talent management strategy also includes the training and development programs. So the employee have a fair chance to learn and improve their skills as well, and become more motivated to perform better in the future. Training and development program help employee to learn something new and enhance their personal skills and knowledge, which we have discussed right before. The organization focus on an individual's growth and betterment. Hence employees develop a feeling of being cared for, the belongingness of the for the organization. So the overall talent management strategies is focused on employees development and growth, so that they can feel belongingness. They have a feeling of belongingness towards the organization. The employee remain associated with the organization for long period of time. So better talent management strategies uh, always aim at the retaining employee is one of the important aspect when it comes to talent management. So if employees retain in the organization, they can work for a longer period of time associated with one organization. Recognition and reward lift up the employees confidence level, as well as it can contribute towards the motivation and job satisfaction of the employee in the organization. The rigorous learning adds on the experience of the employees. So the it is a model where a continuous learning happens in the organizational culture level. So it will add up the experience of the employee to work in such a high performing organization. So these are the benefits from the point of view of employees. So in this lecture, we have discussed about the benefits and advantages of talent management from the perspective of employees as well as from the perspective of organization. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.